Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the *** top 5 best coffee makers of 2025 ***. If you're a coffee enthusiast or simply looking to upgrade your morning brew, this list is for you. We'll dive into features, performance, and value to help you make the best choice for your needs. Plus, we've got a few surprises towards the end that could completely change your coffee experience. Be sure to check the description for up-to-date pricing and links to all the products mentioned. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get started. Number 5. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee lover like me, you know the importance of a good coffee maker. Today, we're taking a look at the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker, featuring its innovative Vortex technology and a bunch of user-friendly features that make brewing coffee a breeze. Let's dive in. Cleaning up after brewing is a breeze with the removable filter basket. This basket is dishwasher safe and works with basket-style paper filters. No more hassle with cleaning. You can easily take it out and pop it in the dishwasher for a quick and easy cleanup. Once your coffee is brewed, you'll want to keep it hot. The Keep Hot carafe plate does just that, maintaining the ideal drinking temperature for your coffee. Whether you're taking your time or enjoying it all at once, this feature ensures your coffee stays nice and hot until the last drop. To sum it up, the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup coffee maker is packed with features that make brewing coffee easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. From the Vortex technology to the Sneak a Cup function, it's a must-have for any coffee enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Number 4, into the Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee. An espresso maker by DeLonghi in stunning ink black. If you're looking for a machine that delivers convenience, flavor, and versatility, this might just be your new best friend. Let's explore what makes this machine stand out. With a 40-ounce water tank, the Vertuo Plus can brew multiple cups of coffee before needing a refill. It also comes with a 10-count used pod container, making cleanup easier. You won't have to worry about refilling too often. More time to enjoy your coffee. The Nespresso Vertuo Plus comes with a complimentary starter set of Nespresso capsules. Though the assortment may vary, it's a great way to explore new flavors and find your favorites. It's a perfect intro to the world of Nespresso. So there you have it. Nespresso Vertuo Plus by DeLonghi, a versatile, efficient, and stylish coffee maker that brings cafe-quality drinks right to your kitchen. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just need a quick caffeine fix, this machine's got your back. Happy brewing! Number 3, into the Cuisinart 10-cup thermal classic coffee maker. Whether you're brewing your morning cup or entertaining guests, this machine has some great features. Let's break down what makes this coffee maker stand out and if it's the right choice for your kitchen. One of the standout features of this coffee maker is its 10-cup thermal carafe. Unlike regular glass carafes, the thermal design keeps your coffee hot for hours without needing a hot plate. This means no burnt taste, just fresh, hot coffee every time you pour. Can't wait for the brewing process to finish? No worries. The Brew Pause feature allows you to grab a cup mid-brew. It's perfect when you're in a rush and want a sip before the full pot is ready. It's a convenient touch that makes mornings easier. To wrap it up, the Cuisinart 10-cup thermal classic coffee maker offers a blend of convenience and quality. From the thermal carafe to its easy programming, it's designed to enhance your coffee experience. If you're looking for a reliable, functional coffee maker, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing! Number 2. Today, we're reviewing the Barista System Coffee and Espresso Machine Combo by Philips. If you love coffee and espresso, this machine promises to elevate your brewing game with a French cafe experience right at home. Let's dive in. This coffee maker is all about convenience. It heats in a mere 25 seconds, making your morning routine that much faster. Plus, with a 40 ounces water tank, you can brew multiple cups without constantly refilling. It's perfect for busy mornings or serving guests. The Barista is compatible with L'OR capsules, Peet's coffee capsules made for L'OR, and Nespresso original capsules. Although L'OR isn't affiliated with Nespresso, this compatibility gives you plenty of options to explore different flavors and brews with ease. To wrap things up, the Barista system by Philips offers a fantastic, high-quality brewing experience with versatility, speed, and ease of use. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or someone who loves a good espresso, this machine is definitely worth considering for your kitchen. Happy brewing! Number 1 into the Technivorm 59,691 kilobytes coffee brewer, a sleek, brushed silver machine that promises to elevate your coffee experience. With a 40 ounces capacity, this aluminum brewer is both stylish and efficient. Let's break down what makes it stand out, from design to performance. The reusable filter is another standout feature. It's eco-friendly and cost-effective, reducing the need for paper filters. The filter allows oils and fines to pass through, creating a fuller-bodied coffee experience. It's easy to clean and maintain, ensuring long-lasting performance without the hassle of frequent replacements. In conclusion, the Technivorm 59,691 kilobytes coffee brewer combines style, performance, and eco-friendliness in one package. With attention to grind size and tamping, it delivers excellent results. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality coffee brewer, this is definitely worth considering. Happy brewing! So that wraps up our list of the Coffeemaker in 2025. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our The Great Gadgets family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Yeah.